In this video, I will just show you and explain the information for task 1.1, send an email. So the first step when you're in your email is to click New Email. And here, if you just type my name, then you will see Francesca Jones. You can click this, and now the email will come to me. Okay, for your subject, you will write task 1.1, send an email. The subject is very important because you will send me a lot of work in this course, so I need to know what you are sending me every time. Then you should always start your email with a greeting, like Dear Miss Fran, comma, and you take one space and another space. Now you can start writing your email. For task 1.1, you should include your name and age. You should include where you live in Ala Ain. You should include what and where you studied before this course. And lastly, I would like to know about your interests and hobbies. When you're done writing the email, you close the email with best regards, and then write your name here. And that's it. You're ready to send the email.